Hello everyone. Today I am doing a simple wavy line art. But you know what? Sometimes what we thought of doing doesn't happen. Yes, something like that happened with me. I was just simply doing this line art, but at some point I did a little mistake. Here I did that mistake. Instead of finishing with curvy line, I just finished with straight line. But it's okay. It still looks good. So sometimes our art also is not perfect at all times. Sometimes we also do some mistakes, but it's okay because by mistakes we learn to do it perfectly next time, isn't it? Something like this happened with you? If so, then please comment below. And yes, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel.